Glass is one of the most important factors when replacing your windows and doors, and will make a significant difference to how they perform once installed. From energy efficiency to noise reduction and security, our glazing options provide you with what your home needs. EcoMax Glass. Ultra energy efficient. Better for the planet. 40% recycled glass content and almost 100% biodegradable. EcoMax Glass is offered as standard on all our UPVC and aluminium windows and doors. Its argon-filled cavity and warm edge spacer bar technology puts it on a par with market-leading A-rated windows and provides comparable solar control properties. Comfort Glass. Energy efficient. Special UV protection. Increased security due to tough transparent layer of glass. Comfort Glass is a perfect alternative to triple glazing. Its smart low-E glass coating achieves window energy ratings of A and U values as low as 1.3 watts per square meter Kelvin and stops 56% more internal heat from escaping. A built-in acoustic layer provides better noise reduction by 20% when compared to older style double glazing. Call 0800 666 444 or visit www.sehbac.com.